21,544.
Health Minister Ampareen Lyngdoh today admitted that there are certain anomalies in the tendering for appointing 108 ambulances. Lyngdoh said that the whole matter is being vetted by the Law Department, while she is also seeking the opinion of the Chief Minister. According to Lyngdoh, the department is now even open to the idea of re-tendering the EOI. On the other hand, amid the increasing COVID cases in the country, the Health Minister said that there is not much of a threat as of now. She said that a meeting was convened by the Union Health Minister. She also added that the state has enough ICU beds, oxygen supply, and she does not anticipate any problem.
This variant, particularly from my understanding, is symptomatic, especially for people with low immunity and people whose health is not keeping well. Therefore, as a precaution, it would be advised that anyone who doesn't have or who is not in good health should take self-imposed precautions. When you tender the MRI 108 services, we have to ensure that it is state-of-the-art services. And if there have been certain components of that tender that were not in order, and if so advised by the Law Department, we're taking necessary precautions. And even if we have to re-tender this, there's absolutely no harm in that.